Hello and welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials channel, the channel that keeps you up to date with the latest top trending book summaries. If you're a book lover looking to stay informed, then you've come to the right place. Thanks for tuning in to ChatGPT Tutorials. We're excited to share our love of books with you, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Today book summary title, The ChatGPT Prompt Library, 2nd edition, Artificial Intelligence Guides Book 1. Introduction. The book introduces the reader to the concept of using prompts with ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI, to generate text. It explains the benefits of using prompts for AI language models, such as improving creativity, coherence, and relevance. Chapter 1, Getting Started with ChatGPT Prompt Library. This chapter provides an overview of the ChatGPT Prompt Library and its capabilities for generating text. It explains how to set up and use the prompt library for different tasks, such as creative writing, content generation, and chatbot development. Chapter 2, Prompts for Creative Writing. This chapter covers a variety of prompts for creative writing, such as short stories, poems, and dialogues. It provides examples of how to use prompts to generate creative text and how to customize prompts for specific genres or styles. Chapter 3, Prompts for Content Generation. This chapter discusses how to use prompts for content generation, such as blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. It covers topics such as research, SEO, tone, and engagement. Chapter 4, Prompts for Chatbot Development. This chapter explains how to use prompts for chatbot development, such as conversation flows, intents, and entities. It covers topics such as user experience, natural language processing, and analytics. Chapter 5, Advanced Techniques with ChatGPT Prompt Library. This chapter covers advanced techniques for using the ChatGPT Prompt Library, such as fine-tuning, sampling, and optimization. It includes topics such as data pre-processing, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning. Chapter 6, Challenges and Risks with ChatGPT Prompt Library. This chapter discusses the challenges and risks associated with using the ChatGPT Prompt Library, such as bias, ethics, and accountability. It covers topics such as dataset bias, model bias, and ethical implications. Chapter 7, Applications and Future Directions. This chapter explores the current applications and future directions of the ChatGPT Prompt Library, such as storytelling, education, and healthcare. It provides examples of how the prompt library can be used to solve real-world problems and improve human lives. Conclusion. The book concludes by summarizing the key insights and takeaways from using the ChatGPT Prompt Library. It emphasizes the importance of balancing AI and human intelligence, and how to use the prompt library as a tool for enhancing creativity, productivity, and quality in text generation. Note, the book and its chapters are provided for illustrative purposes only. The author and the publisher are entirely fictional, and the content is not intended to endorse any specific product, service, or strategy. The book summary is not a substitute for reading the actual book, and it should not be used as legal, financial, or investment advice. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the wonderful world of literature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you are interested to buy this book, go to my description and buy now.